It has been said that consumers are 50% more likely to be influenced by word-of-mouth recommendations from their peers than by radio or TV ads. In an age where we are bombarded at all angles with advertising messages, the power of us is growing. The power of us is people, friends, family, colleagues, etc., talking to each other about products and services. Think about it. If a trusted friend tells you how good a movie, hotel, book, chocolate bar, etc. is, you are much more likely to act on that recommendation more quickly than if you saw an advertisement. This is because your friend is a source you can believe and trust, and the indirect experience they have provided has made your decisions to purchase easier. The same principle applies to telecoms products and services, except that because the decision is generally more complex and important, the word-of-mouth recommendation is much more powerful. Word of mouth is powerful because people, as in South Africans in particular, are social. We like to talk to each other and pass on stories, good or bad. Word of mouth marketing is always relevant and timely. It is driven by customer needs and it grows exponentially. You tell a story to 5 people, they each tell it to 5 people more, who tell it to 5 more people after that. All entrepreneurs understand the principle of leverage. Vox appreciates that by harnessing the power of referral marketing and rewarding all entrepreneurs, your success and geometric growth is inevitable. If I offered you 100,000 Rand or 1 cent doubling every day for a month, which would you choose? Most people would pick the former. However, it would be a mistake, as the latter adds up to over 10 million in a 30-day month, and it comes to over 21 million in a 31-day month. That is geometric growth. Word of mouth or referral marketing is also called direct selling, network marketing, or multi-level marketing. But they all boil down to one thing: the opportunity for the entrepreneur to start his or her very own business at a low risk and with a minimal capital layout. However, the biggest difference between referral marketing companies that succeed and those that fail is the foundation of products. Without a solid product and service offering, the concept is unlikely to maintain consistent and sustainable growth. Clayton Timke represents the Vox marketing team, and he can tell us more about the power of referral marketing in the telco sector specifically. What is so exciting about the industry at the moment, Clayton?
The telco sector is experiencing a revolutionary change at the moment. Companies are cutting loose from their narrow focus on a few specialized products to compete in the larger world of services. New offerings range from low-cost telephone calls over the internet, or VoIP, right the way through to mobile internet access. There is now a fantastic range of products available to consumers. Telco services have become necessities. Long-distance telephone calls were once considered luxuries. Today, for most people anyway, long-distance telephone calls have become an operational necessity. The same can be said of internet access and email communication.
With so many more telco products available, why is referral marketing a more effective way to sell them?
A few decades ago, who would have imagined shopping, researching, learning, and communicating via the internet? Information technologies make delivering services that much easier. At one time, businesses were limited by how many employees they could put in personal contact with customers. The development of information technologies has multiplied the number of customers a company can now serve and made it easier to keep track of relationships and commissions. Referral marketing, or network marketing as it's sometimes called, is the perfect vehicle to provide telecommunications products and services to all South Africans, as it has the potential to spread quickly and reliably, as well as offering entrepreneurs the chance to start their very own sustainable businesses at a low cost and with low risk.
Let's address the question of pyramid schemes. When talking about referral marketing, pyramid schemes always comes to mind. Referral marketing is not the same as a pyramid scheme, is it?
There can sometimes be a misunderstanding in this area. The major differences between referral marketing and pyramid schemes are that pyramid schemes are illegal, and there's usually no product or service involved. On top of that, referral marketing businesses depend solely on the sales of tangible products and valid services. Also, referral marketing is all about equal opportunity. Anyone starting up later in the business has the potential to be more successful than anyone who began in the business before them.
So the Vox business is not a pyramid scheme then?
No. Vox strictly adheres to the Direct Selling Association, or DSA, Code of Conduct. There are more details in the manual and on the Vox website.
Referral marketing in the USA telco sector is already well established, with many companies boasting revenues in excess of $1 billion. Here are some examples. In America in the 1990s, MCI Communications Corp began to sell a long-distance telephone service through Amway, a referral marketing company. Ultimately, MCI developed its own friends and family referral marketing program and made itself the #2 long-distance telephone service supplier, positioned behind AT&T. Before it was Sprint Corp, US Telecom Inc. established a joint venture with Network 2000, an independent network marketing company organized specifically to develop customers for long-distance telephone sales program, attracting more than 3 million customers. XL Communications Inc. was founded in 1988, accelerating from $30.8 million in revenues in 1993 to more than $506.7 million in 1995. In May 1996, XL launched an initial public offering, or IPO, on the New York Stock Exchange with a market valuation of approximately $150 million. XL stock was offered at $15 per share and closed at $29.38 the first day. Now let's find out how referral marketing works. Clayton?
Okay, so this is how it works. Vox sells products and services via a network of entrepreneurs, just like yourself, instead of a traditional store. This means that Vox is able to sell the products and services at a lower rate because of the lower overheads, as well as giving Vox the ability to grow at a rapid rate. The entrepreneur also has a much lower startup cost, with the benefit of an established and listed company backing them.
I've heard the term downline used in network marketing. What is my downline?
Your expanding network of customers, dealers, and satellite branches constitute your downline. But it's not really a downline, it's more like a business web. In order to build a healthy retail side to your business, you need only a few customers who use your products regularly. Often your customers will include family and friends to begin with, but word-of-mouth referrals and talking to colleagues and new people will ensure that your customer base grows.
So, if my downline consists of those people I engage in the business, then what is my upline?
Vox requires that new Vox dealers need to be sponsored by a current Vox dealer. As Vox is built around a solid Vox community, this ensures that new entrepreneurs always have someone to help them grow their business. Your upline, therefore, represents your direct sponsors and every person in their direct sponsored line.
Clayton, why has Vox chosen the referral marketing route instead of retailing its products via supermarkets and stores?
We can sell direct to the end customer. This means that products and services can be sold at a realistic price, as well as originating from a reliable source.
So, if I'm a Vox dealer, am I right in thinking that I run my own business?
Yes, you are now officially self-employed. Congratulations. You now have the ability to earn income through profit on the Vox products and services that you and your dealers sell. You earn commissions based on the volume of sales generated by you and your network of people.
So, that means you are officially self-employed too. Congratulations on taking this step. Remember that the value of a network lies in the support available to you. Feel free to contact your upline or Vox if you have any questions. Go forth and multiply your network.